So this here is definitely going to be one of the most important video that I've recorded in a while, because the price of Bitcoin, just like anticipated after losing the support which we had around 60,000, has started this free fall, and now we want to see whether the price of Bitcoin is going to go even lower, or is it going to result in a rally from here on. What to expect next. So today in this video we are going to talk about all of these scenarios one by one. But before I do that, I want you guys to do me a favor and quickly destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed this free 500 USDT futures position airdrop from Bybit, and in addition to that another free 200 USDT futures position airdrop from Bybit, then definitely check the video description. Now, first thing first, let's look at this ascending broadening wedge, because according to this bearish continuation pattern, we were aware the price of Bitcoin was holding one of the most important support line around 60,000, and I was very clear with you guys, if this 60,000 support gets broken, then between 50,000 to 55,000 is where we could be getting attracted. And if you look at this price action carefully, you can see we got attracted on this 52,000, and now we are seeing a relief rally. But is this an actual relief rally? Because parallelly the price has also played out with this double top pattern, a bearish continuation pattern, and when we broke out of this neckline, and when we also broke the support which we had around 60,000, we were aware it is going to be looked as another continuation, which it did. So you can see ascending broadening wedge has already played out, double top pattern has already played out, and parallelly the price has also invalidated this bullish continuation, a reaccumulation from Wyckoff after breaking below this 60,000 support line. Yes guys, this reaccumulation phase from Wyckoff has been invalidated because the price has unfortunately broken below 60,000. Not just only that, even this parabolic curve here in a weekly time frame, I showed you guys in the past price action, whenever the price of Bitcoin tested the support from this curve line, it resulted in a very bullish move, and this exact scenario also played out here. So if we look at it carefully, we are not just only testing the support from this curve line, but we are below it. So this weekly candle has also clearly indicated that now this continuation, a bullish continuation pattern price following this curve line, has been invalidated. So we have to be extra careful, because parallelly we were also aware that the price of Bitcoin was following this ascending broadening wedge in a daily time frame. I mean, with the help of this Fibonacci line, we were aware around 60,000 we had strong support for Bitcoin, but losing that means we are going to get attracted towards this price opportunity which sits in between 55,000, which it did. Now, are we expecting price of Bitcoin to show another continuation like this, or are we expecting a small relief rally and right after that price starting with another continuation like this? Because if you look at this price action here, using this Williams alligator indicator, using this RSI T3CCI MACD, we are definitely being flashed with some bearish move. I mean, if you look at this crossover, I showed you guys this on my previous video. I mean, yesterday's video, I was very clear. Blue line appearing at the top, green line at the bottom usually indicates downtrend. I mean, you can see in the past price action, whenever we have seen blue line appearing at the top, green line at the bottom, it has resulted in a bearish move. So what I'm trying to pinpoint here is that since this is also a bearish crossover in Williams alligator indicator, we have to be careful, because this same trend line which acts as support during uptrend, you can see this Williams alligator indicator which acts as support during uptrend will be acting as a resistance. Yes, you heard that correctly guys. This same trend line during downtrend will be looked as a line of resistance. So since the price is also below it, any sort of a relief rally, we have to be careful, because this exact trend line will be acting as a resistance. And not just only the resistance from this Williams alligator indicator, even if you look at this CPR indicator, our leading indicator, we are below this monthly as one line. Yes, according to this leading indicator, we were already being flashed with some bearish move a few days ago, but we were saying, hey, it's too early to jump into any trade unless certain line of support or resistance gets broken, which it did in our case. I mean, we broke below 60,000, and right after that the price started free falling. And now since the price is below this monthly S1 line, any sort of a relief rally, this exact trend line which sits around 55,300, 55,500, will be acting as a resistance. Yes guys, we have to be careful because this same trend line which was supposed to hold us will be looked as a resistance, and we could see another continuation like this because now we have resistance from this monthly S1 line. We also have resistance from this Williams alligator indicator, and parallelly we also have resistance from this lower trend line. I mean this descending channel which is normally looked as a bullish continuation pattern. Price here is forming lower highs, lower lows continuation. I mean this is a bearish continuation pattern, but this picture, this descending channel, is usually considered bullish. So if the price of Bitcoin wants to show another continuation like this, then we have to, right, we have to come across certain line of resistance. I mean resistance from this lower trend line, because this exact lower trend line acted as a strong line of support, so this might be acting as resistance. So it's very, very important that the price manages to come across this 55,500 range, because by doing that we will be above this monthly S1 line, which will also indicate the CPR line could be attracting us one more time above 60,000. So if the price in the medium short term manages to come across this 55,500 range, then we will be re-entering inside this descending channel. We will come across this monthly S1 line, and in that case 60,000 again will be attracting us, because we know price has tested some of the key line of support after getting attracted on this 52,000. I mean this lower trend line, which has always acted as a line of support for Bitcoin, might be preparing itself for another bullish continuation like this. So before we turn bullish, right, first we have to overcome the resistance which we have from this CPR indicator, the monthly S1 line, which sits around 55,000 range. Yes guys, this 55,000 resistance must be flipped into proper support if you want to see the price of Bitcoin again entering above 60,000 again, following this descending broadening wedge. But remaining below this CPR line, remaining below this Williams alligator, means this relief rally or any sort of a relief rally will be looked as a temporary relief rally before getting attracted back towards this 52,000, and only after that decide an actual trend duration. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that the price of Bitcoin must find support above this monthly S1 line, must break the resistance from this Williams alligator indicator, because by doing that we will re-enter inside this descending channel, right, and we will also follow this descending broadening wedge, a bullish continuation pattern, and that will bring the price again above 60,000. So to invalidate this bearish move, to invalidate another continuation to the downside, this key line of resistance must be broken. So these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my vlog, then please guys, please do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed this free 500 USDT position airdrop from Bybit and another free 200 USDT futures position airdrop from Bybit, then I suggest you guys to check the video description. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye-bye.